Today I'm going to show you how to upload a file to Google Drive so that you can continue to work on it on your iPad and or share it with others to turn it in, to share, to work on with another classmate, etc. So this very first step is pretty straightforward. I need you to be on a PC or a Mac. Preferably it's the location or it's the device that has the file that you're looking for. Okay? And you're going to, in your Google Drive, you're going to select the Upload button, Upload Files, and then you need to locate the file. So I'm going to find the file I want to upload. The upload file that I'm looking for is this Top 20 Errors from the Bedford series. Notice the file extension is .doc. That means it was created most likely in a Microsoft Word program, which is the most common that we have out there. Whether you're using a Mac or a PC, you can have that software. Okay, .doc, .docx, and .rtf files are the three file types that can upload to Google Drive and then convert to the Google Doc format. What does that mean? It's pretty cool. It means that you can then open it on your iPad and continue to edit it and work with it. It also means that it doesn't take up any storage space on your Google Drive account. Now you'll see that this file is rather small. 23 kilobytes is not a whole lot of space when you have 30 gigabytes to work with on your Google Drive account. But as we go through, this year and the next couple of years, you're going to end up amassing a lot of stuff on that account. And anytime you upload into a Google format, a Google Doc, a Google spreadsheet, a Google presentation, any of those things do not take up space on your limit for Google Drive. It's pretty sweet. Dropbox doesn't have that feature. So I found the file. I'm going to select open. My button's kind of hiding down here for some reason. And it's going to bring up this uploading file, or this uploading window. Now your settings here may be followed by the statement that says conversion off. If I want that on, all I need to do is click the settings button and change. So we can have convert uploaded files to Google Docs format. I recommend you do that. It's going to make your documents a lot easier to work with. And then also convert text from uploaded PDF and image files. I'm not gonna worry about that, because when we upload PDFs and image files and things, we want them to stay in the format that they're in. So I uploaded it. It not only uploaded, it also converted, and there we go. My upload is complete. Currently, it also gives me a little bit of usage data for me. Okay, I can close this window. Now, where did it go? When you do your basic upload to Google Drive, it's just going to show up in the main Drive folder. From here, it's pretty easy to move it. Select the box to the left of the item that you want to move or change or share, and it brings up a bunch of menu options up at the top. This button here, the share button, the little person with the plus sign, allows me to then give other people permission to see it, to comment on it, and or to edit it. I'm not going to do that right now. I can also select the folder and move this elsewhere in my Google Drive account. All of these folders are options, and these little arrows here indicate subfolders that I've created, so I can move it wherever I'd like. I can trash it if I'd like, and I can quickly preview it, which means it's not going to open it in a new window for me to go ahead and start working with and editing. It just gives me a pretty quick view. And there we are. Let's say I wanted to see what happened to it after it converted. Sometimes when Google Docs is doing conversions, it'll kind of mess with your formatting a little bit. But this one looks pretty much exactly as it did in its original format. I'm going to close that window. Now I'm back here in my Google Drive account where I've completed an upload of the file. At this point, if you were going to be turning a file in to a teacher, you would want to assign the file to the folder that the teacher has set up for you, or you have set up to share work with the teacher. That's a pretty easy way to, the easy way to do that is to select the Move To button and locate the folder in question. As soon as you move it to that folder, provided you have the settings for sharing set up for that folder, you don't need to go in and share the individual file. We'll work more on this in the first week of school, but pretty soon this is going to become second nature to you. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions about how to upload a document into Google Drive, please shoot me an email and I'd be happy to help you out and or make another video to clarify. Thanks.